Hi, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the GD350 G-Shocks. I just got this on sale from Kohl's, normally $130, and it was $75 with 2 discounts on top of it. So this is the watch. It's I guess the GD and means that it's bigger. This is a bigger than, I guess, frankly, any of my G-Shocks. I even have a, what is that? Not the Seaman? No, there's no Seaman. I can't remember what it is. The Mudman. This is even bigger than that. This is probably the biggest face I have. I'm currently wearing what looks tiny in comparison, the 6900. So let's take this off and take a look at it. I'm not sure if I like the double strap or not. This is a different type of double strap than the Mudman. These have the wings on this, and really don't know the purpose of the wings, but it has them. The reason I kind of bought this was because I like the look of the face. The look of the face is really cool. It's got a kind of it's got a tactical look. Here it has the seconds. This is for alarm, and then this is your time. I like the time being big. It also has one of my favorite things, which is the light button being on the front. And that's a, wow, that's a very bright one. Wow. Wow. That's nice. The button layout is a little different. You've got 3 rubber buttons, and then this target looking button. Yeah, this is the GD350-8. I'm not sure of module. That might be the module. It says 3403. Let me check. And here's the packaging. This is a normal American in-store packaging. I don't like these. I really don't like these boxes. I wish they all came in the tins. In fact, my 6900, which is supposed to come in a tin, did not. And instead came in this. How the hell are you supposed to get this out? I guess you just pull this out. And let's see. Yep, module 3403. After I've worn this for a while, I'll probably do a review. I'm not good at keeping up on that kind of stuff, as you may have noticed, because I've made promises in past videos saying, yeah, I'll do that. But that's my video. This is my unboxing. Everything feels nice. I really like it. Let me see how this is on arm. I'm really digging the light on this. So this may become a regular for me. So that is the. Let me see how this is on my wrist here. If I can get it on. There we go. The weightier watches are the ones I have to get used to. I've gotten used to this. This is actually not that heavy. This has got some weight to it. Feels heavy. So that's my unboxing and first impressions of the GD350-8. Thanks for watching. Like or dislike. Comment and subscribe. I prefer the like, but if you're not feeling my video from my iPhone, tell me. I'm not the best with cameras and what to record from and lighting and all that, so hey, if you don't like it, I don't want you to like it. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.